Hi, so today we'll be unboxing the Imone foot spa. It has a lot of benefits, it has a lot of features, so let's start unboxing. It comes out like this. You get a manual and you also get a remote control. So this is what it looks like. It's a collapsible foot spa equipment so that it's easy for you to store under any place. When you open it up, you can remove this section. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to extend it. You can make it way bigger. It does have an handle that you can use to carry this around. Side of it, it has a red light functionality. It creates bubbles and you have different modes. It can heat up and it also has a timer with temperature. So in here, you can see the equipment has a ton of things in there. Of course, you do have the red light, you have the bubble jets, and you do have the massage rollers over there on each side to massage your leg, and you have the pumice and the medicine stone, and also the support frame to help support your leg. Filled it up with water, and you can see I can easily sit down and let this do its job. You can use the remote control to turn this on or off. So as I turn it on, you can see the red light and I can feel the vibration. Now it tells me it's in mode 1, and it has bubbles and heating and also the red light. So I can change this manually by clicking on here, on and off. I can set the timer, I can increase the temperature, decrease the temperature. So I can use the remote control to increase the temperature like that, or I can use it to decrease the temperature. I love that it benefits because it helps promote healthy blood circulation. It also relieves foot pains, which I've been having. So I can increase the timer, like let me change the timer. So I can reduce the timer to say, okay, I want to only do this for 10 minutes. So overall, I give this an A+. I love it. I love how it's working, and I love how my feet is feeling so relaxed on here.